Hello there. So we're going to use a free sound called ambient tunnel1 rain, Creative Commons Zero license. So but I'm still going to attribute them. Zero says ambience of an underground tunnel, rain, light, and wind. Can't hear anything. Be quiet. Right. Okay. Well, we'll stick it in. And so what we'll do, we'll go to the top level. We'll make a new folder, create folder, sounds. Open this folder and then right click, open show in Explorer or open file location, go to sound. We're going to copy the sound file which we've downloaded. I'll also provide a link for this or a version of it. Oh, wrong one. Tab into there, paste it in, and that'll import it for us and do everything the user needs to do to it. There we are. So we've got our sound. Now we need to create an empty object, create empty, add a component, audio source, boom, we drag that in, the audio clip, and now we're going to have the sound. You hear it? No footsteps either. What's going on? I managed to unplug my sound. Let's test this. Audio clip. Play.